across to breaking news that's coming in. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who took oath as MP of Hyderabad today in Parliament, has chanted Jai Bhim, Jai Telangana and has also chanted Jai Palestine while taking oath as a Member of Parliament. Let's play out for you that sequence.
Allahu Akbar. मैं संभालने वाला हूं, इसके फराइज और वफादारी से अंजाम दूंगा। जय भीम, जय मीम, जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर।
Put the stay on the.
Okay, you just heard that particular, in fact, slogan that Owaisi has raised in Parliament. He says Jai Bhim, he says Jai Telangana, and then wraps it up by saying Jai Palestine, while taking oath as Member of Parliament today from, of course, Hyderabad. This, no doubt, will trigger a huge controversy in Parliament. Asaduddin Owaisi saying Jai Palestine while taking oath. And we'll, of course, await more reactions that come in on this. But let's play out for you, again, exactly what Owaisi has said during that oath-taking there. While many, of course, have chosen to customize their speeches, saying it in their own languages, adding a prayer, all of which is considered normal. Here you have Asaduddin Owaisi also saying Jai Palestine.
संभालने वाला हूं, इसके फराइज और वफादारी से अंजाम दूंगा। जय भीम, जय मीम, जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर। मैं संभालने वाला हूं, इसके फराइज और वफादारी से अंजाम दूंगा। जय भीम, जय मीम, जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर।
Okay, we'll get your reactions on this as well, but there's no doubt that this is going to trigger a huge political showdown. The fact that Asaduddin Owaisi used the platform of Parliament while taking oath there to go ahead and push for his message of Jai Palestine. He's been, in fact, rather vocal on social media on this issue as well, particularly what's been happening in Gaza. He's been repeatedly taking a stand, saying that this is, in fact, a crime against humanity, and he's reflected that stand there while taking oath as a Member of Parliament from Hyderabad as well, saying Jai Bhim, Jai Telangana, and also at the very end saying Jai Palestine. We will get your reactions also that come in on this, but we've been seeing in the last 24 hours, of course, Members of Parliament taking oath in their own local languages with a message also to, in fact, their own constituents. But here you've got Asaduddin Owaisi while taking oath going ahead and also chanting Jai Palestine. We'll get your reactions also on this big story, as AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi has used the platform of Parliament to put forth what's clearly been his stand on, in fact, the Israel-Palestinian conflict. He's repeatedly, in fact, called for India to also take a stand for Palestine and to take on Israel in the global stage. Now you're seeing him also in Parliament speaking about this very issue. Owaisi's stand has been very clear, referring to what's been happening in Gaza, the crisis there, and the war as, in fact, a war on humanity, on one particular community. And that's Owaisi once again reflecting his stand there during the oath-taking as he chants Jai Palestine. We'll play out for you once again that sequence and then get you some reactions.
मैं संभालने वाला हूं, इसके फराइज और वफादारी से अंजाम दूंगा। जय भीम, जय मीम, जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर। मैं संभालने वाला हूं, इसके फराइज और वफादारी से अंजाम दूंगा। जय भीम, जय मीम, जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर।
Okay, so that is, in fact, the oath that Owaisi took, and then ending it with Jai Palestine. As we in fact get you that particular sequence, let's bring in Amit Bharadwaj on this broadcast, joining us live from Delhi and tracking the latest from Parliament. Amit, when you had Owaisi there in Parliament saying Jai Palestine as part of his oath there as he was sworn in as Member of Parliament from Hyderabad, what really was the reaction of the House? Were there any objections raised?
While Asaduddin Owaisi was taking that speech, after the completion of this speech, you usually have members sometimes saying Bharat Mata Ki Jai. But this time around, what Asad Owaisi has done, that right after taking his oath, he said Jai Bhim, Jai Meem, Jai Telangana, Jai Philistine. Which essentially means Hail Palestine. After this, there has been some sort of objection to the way this particular speech has been taken, because in a way it also using such words right after taking the oath is breaking the conventions of the Lok Sabha. So we'll also have to see as to how the chair responds to it, because usually even in the past when members have actually broken away or tried to do something beyond what is the convention, they have been asked not to do so. But in this particular case, the BJP definitely could actually start, objecting to the entire use of the word, because not only he used 3 to 4, words which is beyond the convention, Jai Bhim, Jai Meem, Jai Telangana, all that. But the major problem or ruckus might happen because of the way he has said Jai Palestine, Hail Palestine. So that could actually become one of the key issues for BJP to, target Asad Owaisi in this particular matter. Back to you.
All right, Amit, thanks very much for getting us those details. We'll track all the reactions that come in on Owaisi's oath there in Parliament, where he ended his oath by saying Jai Palestine. Let's play out for you that particular sequence again.
मैं संभालने वाला हूं, इसके फराइज और वफादारी से अंजाम दूंगा। जय भीम, जय मीम, जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर।